You're lounging on a pristine white sand beach, crystal clear turquoise waters lapping at your feet, and a tropical cocktail in hand. The Bahamas, a paradise that seems almost too good to be true. But what if I told you that your dream vacation could turn into a nightmare if you're not prepared? In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 crucial things about the Bahamas that most tourists never see coming. From hidden dangers lurking beneath the surface to local customs that could make or break your trip, I've uncovered secrets that even seasoned travelers often overlook. These aren't your typical travel tips, they're insider knowledge that could save you from disaster and elevate your Bahamian adventure to unimaginable heights. But here's the kicker. One of these 5 things is so shocking it might make you reconsider your entire itinerary. Are you ready to discover what lies beyond the picture-perfect postcards? Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with information that less than 1% of Bahamas visitors ever learn. And trust me, you won't believe number 4 until you see it for yourself. 5 things to have in mind when preparing to travel to the Bahamas that will change your life. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever dreamed of escaping to a tropical paradise? Well, today we're talking about the Bahamas, a slice of heaven on earth. But before you pack your bags, there are some things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover 5 crucial points to consider when planning your Bahamian getaway. These tips might just change the way you travel forever. So let's dive in and make your Bahamas trip unforgettable. The Bahamas. 1. Understanding the best time to visit. The Bahamas has a tropical climate, which means warm weather year-round. However, timing your visit can make a big difference in your experience. The high season runs from mid-December to mid-April. During this time, you'll enjoy perfect weather, but expect higher prices and more crowds. The low season, from June to November, offers cheaper rates but comes with a catch. This period coincides with the Atlantic hurricane season. While the chances of a direct hit are low, it's something to keep in mind. May and November are great compromise months. You'll find pleasant weather and fewer tourists without breaking the bank. Remember, each island has its own microclimate. Research your specific destination for the most accurate weather predictions. 2. Choosing the right island. The Bahamas isn't just one island. It's an archipelago of over 700 islands and cays. Each island has its own unique character and attractions. Nassau on New Providence Island is the capital and most unpopular destination. It offers a mix of beaches, nightlife, and historical sites. Paradise Island, connected to Nassau by bridge, is home to the famous Atlantis Resort. For a more laid-back vibe, consider the Out Islands. Exuma is known for its pristine beaches and swimming pigs. Harbor Island boasts pink sand beaches and a charming New England feel. Eleuthera is perfect for surfers and nature lovers. Bimini, the closest to Florida, is great for fishing and diving. Think about what kind of experience you want and choose your island accordingly. Don't try to see everything in one trip. Island hopping can be expensive and time-consuming. Pick 1 or 2 islands and really immerse yourself in the local culture. 3. Budgeting wisely. The Bahamas can be expensive, but with some planning, you can make it work for any budget. Accommodation is often the biggest expense. All-inclusive resorts can actually save you money if you plan to eat and drink a lot. For a more authentic experience, consider renting a vacation home or staying at a guest house. Food costs can add up quickly, especially at tourist hotspots. Try local restaurants and markets for more affordable and authentic meals. Beach access is free, so take advantage of this natural attraction. Many activities like snorkeling from the shore are also free or low cost. If you're on a tight budget, consider traveling during the off-season for better deals. Look for package deals that include flights, accommodation, and sometimes even meals. Remember to factor in transportation costs between islands if you plan to explore more than one. Set aside some money for unexpected expenses or spontaneous adventures. 4. Packing essentials. Packing for the Bahamas is more than just throwing in a swimsuit and sunscreen. Of course, you'll need beach essentials like swimwear, cover-ups, and sandals. Don't forget sun protection. Sunscreen, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat are must-haves. Insect repellent is crucial, especially if you're visiting during the wetter months. Bring comfortable, breathable clothing for exploring. A light rain jacket or umbrella can come in handy for sudden tropical showers. If you plan on dining at upscale restaurants, pack some dressier outfits. Many resorts have a dress code for dinner. Bring your own snorkel gear if you have it. Rentals can be expensive. A reusable water bottle will help you stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. Don't forget any necessary medications and a basic first aid kit. Lastly, bring a good book or e-reader for those lazy beach days. 5. Embracing the local culture. The Bahamas isn't just about beautiful beaches, it's a country with a rich culture and history. Take time to learn about Bahamian customs and traditions before you go. Try local dishes like conch fritters, rock lobster, and Bahamian-style mac and cheese. Visit a local fish fry for an authentic food experience. Engage with locals. Bahamians are known for their warm hospitality. Learn a few Bahamian phrases, even if it's just thank you, tank ya, and you're welcome, you're welcome. Respect the local dress code. Beachwear is for the beach, not for walking around town. Experience Junkanoo, a colorful Bahamian festival with music, dance, and elaborate costumes. If you're there during festival season, it's a must-see. Visit historical sites like Fort Charlotte in Nassau to learn about the island's past. Support local artisans by buying authentic Bahamian crafts as souvenirs. Remember, you're a guest in their country. Be respectful and open-minded. There you have it. 5 key things to keep in mind when planning your Bahamas trip. Bonus tips to save money. 1. Travel in the low season to avoid dynamic pricing effects. 2. Book flights early to avoid paying more for the same seat. 3. Shop for discounts on different airlines. 4. Use your miles to lower the overall price. 5. Shop in local markets for souvenirs. From choosing the right time to visit to embracing the local culture, these tips will help you make the most of your Caribbean adventure. Remember, travel is about more than just ticking off destinations. It's about experiences, connections, and personal growth. So, are you ready to start planning your Bahamas getaway? Let us know in the comments which island you'd like to visit first. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up for more travel tips. Until next time, happy travels. A global travel guide.